And meanwhile, Malacanang assures enough safeguards for a new fund appropriation system once PDAF is abolished. At the same time, the palace stressed that the Aquino administration and those who rallied against the PDAF misuse are one in fight against corruption. Again, Rocky Ignacio reports.
The Priority Development Assistance Fund will no longer exist in 2014. Presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda said this amidst doubts that the controversial fund will remain in another form.
Maraming agam-agam hindi na raw na-abolish. It's been abolished. 2014, you will not see PDAF in 2014. It will be found in the projects will be found in the respective departments. Okay.
President Aquino introduced 4 measures after the abolition of PDAF. The President wants that the assistance fund will be spent for people in need, concerned agencies will implement the projects, and stricter measures will be laid out to safeguard the People's Fund.
The President's tasked IAGC, or the Interagency Anti-Graft Coordinating Council. Ito po ay pinamumunuan po ni Ombudsman Chief Carpio Morales, si COA Chair Grace Tan, at si Justice Secretary Laila De Lima. They will investigate, they will prosecute, they will recover. You know, they are going to go after those who are found to have misused the funds of government.
Under the new mechanism, the proposed project should be approved by both chambers of Congress to be included in the General Appropriations Act. The detailed projects will be chosen by the legislators from a restricted set of menus.
Pag na-approve na, naging batas na po ang GAA, nakasaad na po roon ang mga proyekto ng mga mambabatas. Tulad ng proyekto na ginagawa po ng DPWH on the national level. Ang mangyayari po, lahat po yan ay dadaan ngayon sa tinatawag nating Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, or what we call PhilGEPS. There will be notices of bidding. All the contractors who are interested to bid will participate in that bidding, and there will be a notice of award. Pag na-award na po yan, ano po dito po ang magandang, ang bagong mungkahin ng ating Pangulo ay sumali man po ang taong bayan. Ito ay pagkakataon sa inyo para mag-monitor.
The project allocations will be open to public scrutiny through the DBM website.
The implementation of projects and releases of funds for this can be monitored through the website of the DBM and the upcoming National Data Portal. Lahat po ito ilalabas. Tulad ng ginagawa po ng DBM ngayon, nilalabas na po ang PDAF ng bawat mambabatas ngayon. Ilalabas po lahat ng proyekto, ilalabas po kita at masubaybayan. Ito po mahalaga, ito po ang participatory governance. Kailangan po ang tulong ng taong bayan dito. Yan po ang hamon sa taong bayan, na tayo ay makilahok dito sa bagong proseso.
Meanwhile, Malacanang defended that the President's Social Fund was utilized properly. Lacerda was reacting to calls that the President should also abolish his PSF. He said the President's funds are subject to liquidation review by the Commission on Audit. Lacerda also stressed that the President has the same advocacy with the people who joined the Million People's March in Luneta.
Ang sabi nga ni Pangulong Aquino nung Biyernes, ba't ho tayo mababahala? Dumami po ang ating kasangga laban sa katiwalian. And it's true.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.